Hi everyone, my topic today is a natures versus nurture and the self-culture. The nature versus nurture. Debate involves with their human behavior is determined by the environment either prenatal or during a person's life or by a person's genes. The alliterative expression nature and nurture in English nature is what people think of as pre-wiring and is influenced by genetic inheritance and other biological factors. Nature example. The trees, forests, birds, and animals are all an example of nature. If someone is inherently evil, like for example, kanang mga nature, kanang like, kanang lindot kaayo mga views, mga animals, mga birds. Nature, nurture example. For example, how much parents read with their children and how will children learn to read appear to be related. Like example, nurture. Ang bata kinahanglan og kanang kuan, knowledge para makat-on. Nurture to refers to all the environmental variables and the impact who we are including our early childhood experiences, how we were raised, our social relationships, and our surrounding culture. The self and culture. Remaining the same person and turning chameleon by adapting to one's context seems paradoxical. According to Mauss, every self has two faces, person and moi. Ang mga paglantaw sa kaugalingon nag-ipamlin siya lakip sa ubang mga butang, kung giunsa nato paghunahuna ang kalibutan, ang atong social nga mga relasyon, mga pagpili sa panglawas og estilo sa kinabuhi, paglambigit sa komunidad, politikanhong mga aksyon og sa katapusan, ang atong kaugalingon ug ang kaayuhan sa ubang mga tawo. Example of the self and culture. Some cultures prefer children to be quiet and respectful with around adults.